mixing ultramarine with indigo. And add this line now, like making it between. So closer to horizon, the sea should be more lighter color, and closer to us more dark color. Even that if you don't see it on the photo, make it artificially, because your painting will look more natural, more closer to the truth. So, and now I also add this green to this mixture.